Hello everyone, myself Pancham Singh. I am going to deliver one of the important topic of the digital social media, and the subject code is KOE 094, that is content writing. So content writing, before I am going to discuss about the content writing, so first I will discuss about that why is proper content writing is important. Yeah, why content writing is important for us. The question is this. The first point is, when most people hear content writing, they think writing articles. However, writing content is not just important for blog posts. So content writing is like that. If you're going to writing a content, so people, they are thinking about the content writing is a type of blog writing. So content writing is different than the blog post or blog writing, because blogging is another thing and content writing is another type of writing in the digital social media. The second point, in fact, content writing is important for all types of different contents formats, including video scripting, email newsletters, keynote speech, social media post, podcast titles, white papers, web page copy, landing pages, YouTube video description. So content writing about that, the post we are going to post on the YouTube, we are going to post on the mail, we are going to post on the landing pages. So content writing is a covering part of that particular scripting, that particular videos, content, whatever you are going to post on that social media platform, that is called the content writing. So content writing basically including video scripting. A video have the scripting, that is part of the content writing. Email newsletter, a cover letter is type of content writing. Keynote speeches, that is given by the person in the form of the content writing. Social media posts, a post which are put it in the social media, that is also the part of the content writing. White papers, web page copy, landing pages, YouTube video description. So all things which are available in social media, that is in the form of the content writing. And content writing is different than the blogging, because blogging is a dynamic type of writing where we are scripting the content in this small chunks, and it is going to change time to time. But content writing, we are going to posting that particular topic, particular content, like a covering of the letter. That is the form of the writing that is known as the content writing. What does a content writer do? So if a person is a content writer, so first what he will decide, yes, she will decide to writing the content. Researching a topic to learn more about its background. Let's say we are going to write a content about a great person, like maybe a leader, maybe an actor, actress, yeah, maybe some person that is very famous, and we are going to write a content about that particular person, particular male or female. So we will search about the background of that person, background history of that person, to going to write about the content. Working with customer to define a content needs. If a person is working, so first we will define the why we need the content, yeah, how much content is required to writing about that particular person. Creating style and formatting guides to ensure consistency across projects. So what content you are going to write and how way you are going to write the content, that is important. Because content writing is nothing but it is not simply writing the content, it is the way we are going to write the content in such a way that people, they are taking as a reference to viewing the videos, reading the content, reading the biography of that particular person. That is called the content. completing writing projects as assignment, meeting deadline to ensure customer satisfaction. So these are the things a content writer is thinking of before going to write the content. Following content required for project and style specification. So these are the content before a content writer is going to write a content must follow these important points. Different format of the content writing. The first is the email newsletter. So if we are going to discuss about the email newsletter, so we will write the email and what content we are going to add inside the mail, that is called the email newsletter. Social media posts, podcast titles, web page copy, landing pages, YouTube videos, description, keynote speeches. So these are the different format of the content writing. So where we are going to use the content writing. So content writing is vary accordingly to the different platforms where we are going to write the contents. So maybe in the first form we are using the content in the form of the email. We are using the content in the form of the social media post, and we are creating the content in the form of the podcast titles, web pages, landing pages, YouTube video description. So if you have the number of videos on YouTube and what are the description about that particular video, so you can write in the form of the content. And last one is the keynote speeches. So what are the speeches we are going to announce? So we can use as a content writing about that particular person, background history of that particular person, that is in the form of the content writing. Content in social media. So if you're going to discuss about the content writing or content, so why content writing is so important, so popular nowadays? So content writing for social media requires content for engaging customer, because if you want to engage a people to another people, so by using the content writing we can engage one to another. A good and updated content keep your consumer engagement involved. If your content is quality content, then people they are engaged between you and your customer. And if your content is not needful or not meaningful, the people they will not waste the time to conversation between one to another. So content writing is very important part where people they can busy to communication between one or among. Companies analyze the volume of the contents post. Company generally time to time searching how many types of contents you have written inside the post. That is the important. And what are the contents are needful, because if the content is not meaningful, not needful, then maybe the people they want to communicate for in client server relationship, or in the like a person is want to communicate in a company, but they have no meaningful content, then people will not going to engage with you and they are not going to communicate. Companies use blog, social media posts, extract to consumer consumption. So generally blogging is very popular because it is a simple way we are writing small chunk of the content for the post, and it is dynamic in nature, and time to time it is going to change. So blogging is popular because we are going to update the content as per the requirement. Content objection is to post consumer relevant, induce greater consumption participation. So how many consumers they are engaged with you to writing the content So that is the question, and that is a very important topic in digital social media, and why content writing is important, and why people they are using the content writing, and how you are going to increase the connection between one to more people during conversation by using the content writing. Content typologies, categorization. So content writing is divided into different categories, different types, you can say. Organizational content. So what type of content we are going to write? That is the very important question here. So content writing for the organization, content writing for the promotional content. So basically, what type of content required for the organizational content, what type of content is required for the promotional content, that is the different part, because the things we are going to change the platform, content writing is going to change. So content writing for the organizational is about sharing news on particular organizational site, organizational growth, about the new projects, organizational activities, what type of activities are going there in the particular organization in the terms of the corporate social responsibilities, employee experiences, cultural events, awards, etc. So these type of activities is going inside the organization in the form of the content writing. Now next point is aim is to use blogs to enhance organizational brand image and build respect and value for the organization. So somehow we are going to use the blogs in terms of the enhancing the organizational branding. So then we can use the blogging. Sometimes we are going to use the content writing for the inside the activity of the organization, that is called the content writing. So content writing and blogging both are similar, but they are behave in a different way because they have different significance, they have different meanings. Promotional contents can be written in the form of the content writing, like product features, prices, new products, product companies, promotional campaign responses, and product related grievance. So these are terms generally we can write in the form of the content writing. So promotional ads, promotional events, promotional content can be written in the form of the content writing. These are the post passively persuading to buy products. So what type of product we are going to purchase by using we can write in the form of the content writing. Content planning steps. So if you are going to write a content, so first we will plan the content writing. Content writing planning. So why planning is required? Because if you are going to plan a thing, then the thing is going to happen in a good way. So content writing is a systematic way. If you are going to write a content, so definitely we are going to plan the content writing steps. We will follow the content writing steps. So first point is revisit your target audience profile and social media goals. So where we are going to write the content, that is the important. Second point, polish your social media content categories for each social channel. So where we are going to post the content, what are the social media platform where we are going to post the content, that is the very important point where we are going to writing the content, where we are going to posting the content, that is important. Third point is decide the format you will use, which type of format we are going to use to writing the content, where people they can easily access the content and they can read the content and they can connect to you by like advertising, by branding, by mailing, and there are n number of ways we can connect the people to writing the content. Create an engagement plan, have a plan to share other content, repurchase and curate content, create a plan to encourage users to create content for you, work out how would promote yourself. So if you are going to promote your business, promote your product, so how way you are going to write the content, that is important, that is significance. So the things we are going to write, that is important, because the way we are going to presenting in among the people, presenting worldwide. So content writing is important, because content writing, on the basis of content, they are going to connect to you and they are communicating. Social media marketing platforms where we can plan to write the content. So we are going to discuss in the form of the content. So how we are going to use the different social media platform for writing the content. So people 25 to 34 boomers. So content, photos, link, information like videos. So every social media platform, they have the different planning strategy where we can put the content, and through which the people they can access the content and you can increase your business, you can earn the money. So local marketing, advertising, related relationships, weak organization, reach. So the way we are going to put the content uh, inside the social media and how you are going to increase. So there are different social media platform like Facebook is one of the social media platform. Second is the YouTube. Uh, YouTube is a social media platform. How you are going to use to write the content and how you are going to put the content for the particular videos. And Twitter is another way we are going to write the content on using the Twitter, where we are going to put the content and we are going to reach out to worldwide by sharing the content. LinkedIn is another way we can communicate by B2B, yeah, by organization, yeah, international way we are going to connect by the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another very official platform where we can connect among the people worldwide or national or international level. So there are different types of chatbot is another way we are going to connect the peoples. For the female, they are using this one. This is very popular, entertaining way we are going to connect, and they are interacting to each other by building the relationship. So there are n different types of chatbot is another. So there are n number of social media platforms where we can write the content and we can communicate to one another and we can increase your business. So Facebook is one of the oldest and very popular platform, social media platform, where we can write the content and we can connect to worldwide. So social media, Facebook is a social media site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with family and friends. So if you are going to connect to your friends or family, so Facebook is a platform where we can write, post your content, post videos, post photos, where people they can like and they can share their views. And there are many way we can connect by using the different social media platform. Facebook is started in 2006, and the people whose age is above the 13 year, they are valid and they can use the Facebook and they can post their content on the social media platform like Facebook. Says Facebook is the largest social media platform globally, as well as one of the biggest local business directories. So Facebook is very older and it is very largest platform where we can increase your business by using the social media like Facebook. Facebook is a great social media marketing platform to building relationship with the current customer. So if you're going to increase your reach to the current customer, so by using the Facebook, we can connect to another people and friends and family. We can increase your network by using the social media platform like Facebook. Announce hours changes, events and milestone, hold discussion and live stream, market to baby boomers. So there are different social media platforms where we can use the use and share your content, and you can increase your business. Users are Facebook. Facebook was designed for college student, and it primarily users are still student. So it is started from the college student, and now it is very popular. And generally, every people they are making the account on the Facebook and they are going to use. Twitter is one of the another is social media platform where people they are going to share their views, share their opinion. So Twitter is very popular nowadays because leaders and their actors, actress, they are going to use the Twitters and they are posting their personal views on particular site. That is site, or you can say this is a platform, social media platform where we can share the post on Twitters. So Twitter is a beautifully tangled network of quick thoughts, useful tidbits and energized discussion. So this is a official platform, we can say, where we can put their content and the people they can share their views, their thoughts, their opinion on that, but using the Twitters. Users of Twitters follow influencers to keep up with the news and trends. What is the updated news and what are the trends? We can use and share the content in the Twitter. Share a story through the series of the tweets in one thread. So if you're going to share the number of tweets in a row, so we can use the Twitter. Make yourself available for customer services and frequently asked questions. So these are the platform where we can share your views. And another official and very popular platform of the social media, that is LinkedIn, where people they can share their research work, where people they can share their job related requirements, where people they can share their latest news, latest update, latest opening. So things which are going to content to the educational background, yeah, something is like research work, something is like the newly update, we are going to use the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a very beautiful platform, where you can say very professional platform, where people they are going to use. Mainly it can be used by the youth. They can use LinkedIn, and they are going to create the account, and they can move for they can increase your business, they can increase your careers. So LinkedIn may be a professional network, but it is also an inspiring community that celebrates leadership, learning, and core values. So this one is the basic definition of the LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn is important, and why we are going to use the LinkedIn? Attract top talent. So the top talented people, they are going to share their research, their opinion, or you can say share their knowledge, their connection by using the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is very important platform of social media. Network with the partner, peer, and customer, share company milestone and culture, post industry news and insights. So all things which are related to your educational background, research related data, or you can say job related queries, we can put on the LinkedIn. YouTube is another social media platform where we can share your videos, and by sharing a quality video, we can earn money from the YouTube. So YouTube is a platform where we can share the posts in the form of the content writing, that particular videos, and we can people they are going to watch the video, they are going to increase the views, and you can earn the money. Uses of YouTube tutorials, how to's and explainer videos, how you are going to explain that particular videos, and how they are people they are going to view the video, like the videos, share the videos, and we are going to increase the money in the form of the social media platform like YouTube. So YouTube is very important platform where we can create money by creating the quality videos on that particular site. Instagram is another important platform of social media, where we can post your videos, post your latest small clip on that. People they are going to watch the clip, watch the video, they may can share the video, and on the basis of that we can earn the money. So Instagram is started in 2018. 2018 it started from 2018, and now Insta is very popular platform of social media. Why Instagram is useful? Because Instagram is useful due to the shopping purpose, social shopping, influencer marketing, user generated contents, and company culture. So we are going to use the Instagram. Another important platform of social media is the Pinterest. Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovering of information on the internet using images, and on a small scale animated videos in the form of the pin boards. So small types of videos we are going to clipping on that particular video, and we are going to use the Pinterest. So Pinterest is basically is a way we are going to share your videos by using the Pinterest, and we can increase your reach among the people worldwide, national or international level, and we can create the connection between them, and we can increase the money on the basis of the Pinterest. What about the Google Plus? The Google Plus is another way we are going to create the money by using this social media platform. Search the world's information, including web pages. So world www, World Wide Web, they are going to connect World Wide Web by using the internet. So we are going to share your videos, share your thoughts, share your opinion by using the Google. So Google has many special features to help you find exactly what you are looking for. So what you are going to search out, that is important, because Google is picking that particular keywords, and on the basis of that it is giving the results. So that is important by using Google. So I have already discussed about that, this one.